That's pure heaven.
60 countries and well travelled. I've never seen that before. Yeah, mine's smaller than yours. But,
You've got a half of one as well. This is my first time trying Durian. Here we go. Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Malaysia! Dridgers, and this is our Malaysia series.
We are just heading to Chow Kit, one of the Chinese markets. I told you last time I'm gonna make Reanne try Durian. She's not tried it before and she's a bit squeamish when it comes to like unusual things. I think her reaction is gonna be absolutely priceless.
First of all though, you need to treat me to something nice and delicious and sweet, and then maybe I'll do it.
Well, I've actually found a Rotty Baker stand just like not far away, so we'll probably start there, and it looks, honestly, I'll show you in a minute, delicious.
First of all, we're making our way to MRT. Where we're staying, we're about 7 stops out of the city centre, so everywhere we want to go we kind of got to jump on it, but luckily it's literally a 10-minute walk down the road and it don't take long and it's cheap. If you know us, for budget travellers, meaning we're tight, we use the cheapest transport, no taxis for us, the local transport all the way. If you stand at the front, because it's driverless, it feels like you're on a roller coaster. It was so much fun.
You missed it, right? Do you know the things you hold hanging down, rubber things? Pulled my umbrella and it's like, push it in a bit. Push it. Yeah, pull it out a little bit.
Are you stuck?
No, I had to untangle it.
Oh god, I missed it, but I was having fun on my roller coaster, so yeah, still worked. We clicked on the wrong location on the map and we're like, we need to get off to the next one. We're like, oh, we'll just get off and pay it, but our chip still works. So it's probably like the same kind of price and the same like area.
Yeah, maybe you get like a threshold of like 1 or 2 stations.
Yeah, I feel like we paid that amount like pretty much every time, so.
Zones.
Yeah, zones.
Let me know in the comments, the zones.
Shockingly, it is raining once again. We got soaked twice yesterday in the rain, but we bought this umbrella yesterday for 10 ringgit, so it's coming in handy. Ben's manning it in the rain.
So this area, Chow Kit, this is one of the only areas in Kuala Lumpur that's got a very large population of Indonesians. So that's why we've confined the Bandung Rotty Baker not far from here.
This one is normal, special and premium.
What's the popular one?
The popular one is chocolate and cheese mix.
Chocolate and cheese.
Yeah, let's go for that one then.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
The chocolate and mix 40 ringgit.
Yeah.
So I've actually arrived at Rotty Baker Bandung. As you can see, it's very popular. We actually saw this on KL Foodie on the on Instagram. It's gone a little bit viral.
Okay, we've got our food. It takes a little while, about 10-15 minutes, but it's worth it. It's like a massive loaf of bread. We've got 2 layers going on here. 1 layer with cheese and chocolate, and then the next layer, cheese and chocolate again. So there's so much in there, and they're not stingy on their fillings. And this is called chocolate cheese, the most popular viral one going on here. We did ask which one was the best one, and we've gone for it. But let's try it. Look at that. That's pure heaven. I'm going to get my mouth around it. Chocolate and cheese, what a genius idea. They go so well. It's really rich chocolate. And then you've got like a cheddar cheese. But that bread's like sweet, it's like kind of like brioche bread. But when they're cooking it, they literally just keep smothering each side in butter. So it's so crispy and delicious. It's got so much flavour. This is massive. I don't know how we're going to eat such a big one.
We will try.
We will try. It's cut into like 4 portions. I need another bite, that was so good. Oh god. So much chocolate. That is unreal. but this was only 14 ringgit. Unbelievable, tastes amazing, and it's fun to watch as well. But as you can see, look how busy it is. There's so many people queuing. Oh, that was unreal. And there is loads of seating in there. You can get like an iced tea. We're now going to head to the market, see if there's any good shopping to do there. Because we're not in the central of Kuala Lumpur and like the expensive bit, we're hoping there's some good bargains here. But we'll soon find out. But that sandwich has done me in and well filled me up. It's making me more nervous to eat the durian because I just ate something delicious. And if you smell durian, if it tastes anything like that, not going to go down well with me.
I would say to Reanne, it doesn't taste as bad as it smells. It actually tastes alright. On the left here is where you get like all your fresh meat and stuff. I just saw a cow's head. It's quite graphic. But yeah, they chop it up. Can't get fresher than that. It's literally like killed and cooked. And then the community comes in there and eats it. Don't smell the best, but that's raw meat for you. But this is the night market we're in now.
Here we've got all the fresh fruit and veg. It smells amazing, but it's getting a lot busier now. It's turned about 6 o'clock, so obviously this is the time it starts kicking off. This feels like a very local market where you'd get your fresh products, meat, veg and all that. And there's some stalls up here where you can eat at.
Literally, there is durian everywhere. So we have actually come to the best location for Reanne to eat durian. And she doesn't even know it. Even there. We'd like to thank today's sponsor, Overseas VPN. I promise this will only take a second. Overseas VPN, you can simultaneously log in to between 2 and 10 devices. Overseas VPN offers maximum compatibility, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, Linux, as well as popular browsers like Firefox and Chrome. Overseas VPN is available on all popular platforms. All plans unblock BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus and Hulu, and 7 major Netflix regions.
As we travel full time, we use public Wi-Fi. For example, coffee shops, airports, accommodation. That is why Overseas is perfect for us. Its affordable price keeps us safe while we're on the road. Overseas VPN has the lowest prices on the market. Right now you can get a 5-year plan just for $60. That works out just $1 a month. Check out Overseas VPN, linked in description. Now back to the video.
Durian? Yeah. Kasih.
Satu. Only one.
Only one. Okay. Makasih. Makasih. Thank you. One thing I've noticed, right? And this is massive as well, because it's blown my mind a little bit. But the people in Malaysia, when they're riding their motorcycles, it makes sense as well. I will come to that. But they wear their rain jackets back to front. And I've never seen that anywhere else in the world. 60 countries, I'm well travelled. I've never seen that before. And it makes sense, because why would you want your jacket blowing all around when you can put it backwards? That is one of the best things I've ever seen. And it's here in Malaysia.
Right, I've got my pink plastic bag so it don't smell on my hands. This is my first time trying durian. Here we go. I'm really sorry to offend people, but that is not my taste. Oh gosh.
What's it taste like?
It's a very weird texture. It's a lot softer than I thought it'd be, but it's just got such a strong taste. I can't tell you what it... Oh, it's so weird. Kind of like cheesy garlic, maybe? And then with like a sweetness at the end. I think it's the combination of such strong flavours put together that make it so weird. I can see why people... Hold on, I need a drink. I've got the peach tea ready just to... Oh.
Cleanse the palate.
It's a really strong aftertaste. Look, I can taste it now. Really taste it. I understand why people like it. It's going to be a love-hate relationship because it is such a unique flavour. But for me, for fussy eater, like I don't like mushrooms and tomatoes, and I'm very picky. No, I couldn't eat it. I probably... No, I couldn't eat it. But shall we make Ben try it? He has tried it in the past, but I think he needs to try it again. Right, so as Reanne said, it's probably a year since I've tried durian. Like pure durian. I've had like durian flavoured things. It's really sludgy, isn't it? Yes, like yeah. I don't know whether it's because maybe this is like overripe. Is that right? But it's really sludgy.
It's actually better than I remember it.
What?
Yeah, so it's like Reanne said, cheese and onion. The reason why last time I reacted the way I did is because I was expecting a fruit and got a savoury thing, something that was like, say, cheese and garlic. Now I'm expecting it to be like cheese and garlic. It's actually quite nice. I actually really like it.
But it's got a lot of big pips, like that is 90% pips in it. It's just like meat around it.
There's not a lot of flesh, is there?
No, I understand like how much you get for the price now.
Yeah. It's a very expensive fruit. But yeah, no, I like it. I like Durian. Durian like a Durian lover. Durian...
Not so much.
Not so much, bit of a hater.
But I'm fussy, we know that. I don't even like coffee, wine, beer. You find something, I probably don't like it, but Ben's just munching away with it. Keep them stinky hands away from me. Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, sweet, yeah.
Please.
Let's see, how much?
7.
That's all I have.
Sorry.
What a nice guy. Right, so we did actually pick up 2 teas. They're like, one's an iced tea and one's like a milk tea. It's got like a condensed milk, sort of like a Thai tea, but let's taste them. Rianne's got the condensed milk one.
Yeah, mine's the milky one. Tastes like Thai tea.
Yeah.
Really, yeah, tastes exactly like it. Yours is just a plain one, isn't it? So
Yeah.
Ben hasn't got the milk in it, it's just a cold iced tea.
Yeah. Yeah, really sweet as well.
We're back in our apartment. It took us like an hour to get back. It was quite busy, and if you know us, we kind of went the wrong way in the MR2 for about 2 stops. But MR2, did I say?
MR2, I think you mean MRT.
But we've got our dinner. I've gone for some rice, some fried chicken, and a chili sauce.
I literally went for a similar thing.
Yours is grilled chicken.
Yeah, grilled
That's different.
chicken.
But these are hot, they're easy, and there were 26 ringgit for 2 meals. So we also got like these deep fried dough. I would say balls, but they're not the shape of balls. They're like crosses. There were 6 ringgit each. We have no idea what this dip is. I'm hoping pandan.
Yeah, I think it might be pandan.
Yeah.
I reckon it's gonna be like sweet.
And then we've got like these. Oh my gosh, they're a lot bigger than I thought they'd be. They're like quite thick. Remind me of donuts.
Yeah, mine's smaller than yours. But,
You've got a half of one as well. It's
right.
broke.
Yeah, so they've got the consistency and like the texture of donuts.
Mm.
They smell like donuts.
Do they taste like donuts?
Yeah, so try a bit with a dip, or try a bit without a dip.
Try it with the dip. Mine's a bit moistened.
Get a bit of that on there. That is pandan, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Sweet pandan dip. That's actually really nice.
Look coconutty. Kind of like donuts, really doughy, fluffy. Literally made them fresh to order. We saw them rolling them out, and
They're still
amazing.
warm.
They are, aren't
They're
they?
still warm,
Considering
yeah.
it took us an hour to get back.
Yeah.
These are good though. Good little dessert.
This is pretty much what we do in the evenings. Obviously, we're gonna do a bit of editing. We'll go for our socials and stuff like that. Eat our food and do nothing.
And the best thing about the evening, gals, you can get the bra off.
Yeah. Well, Rianne's been waiting for that all day.
I'm waiting to just hop in the shower, jammies on, and film.
So make sure you watch the next episode, because if you like us eating food, we seem to eat a lot of food, but the next episode is all about food. So we're going to go to one of the most famous night markets, and it's not Jalan on All Street, because everyone told me in the comments last time there's better ones. It's one of them ones you said in the comments, so subscribe.
1, 2, 3, go.
Do you not want to come under my umbrella, Ella?
Can you sit in my seat for a minute, just to see if I'm getting in?
Yeah, you're in.
Oh, you look just like me. Hi, Reanne.
Fuck's sake, Ben.